Alrighty, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to kind of a little different video on the channel. I've always been interested in seeing like what other channels make, what types of channels make what, and I love when people show off what they've made on YouTube. And I've always wanted to make one of these videos, especially for my most popular video is a Naruto Minecraft roleplay. That's where I gained a lot of subscribers from. Unfortunately, don't really get any views anymore. But that's besides the point. That video got 1.6 million views, and as you can see, to this day is actually still making me money. So in the last 28 days, it still made me $1.21, which is crazy because I uploaded that video back in 2016. So if we click on here, you can see that it still is gaining subscribers to this day. It's gaining views to this day, watch time, everything, which is absolutely insane. I mean, even in the last 48 hours, it's gained a fair amount. So let's just go to the last year, for example. Even in the last year, it earned me $37. And again, I uploaded this in 2016. So I mean, it's earning me revenue every single year, which is really cool to see. Really cool to see the impressions and the reach. I mean, it got 11,000 views in 2022, which is crazy to think because, I mean, again, so this was uploaded, what? Goodness, that's 7 years now. 7 years. Because again, back to 2016. So if we just go, let's say, even in the last 90 days, which my channel has been just steadily declining, which is fine. It's okay. It's still got 2,000 views. But if we go to a lifetime, which is the craziest part, as you can see, 1.7 million views. So sorry, I was a little off there. A watch time of 93,000 hours, which is quite a lot, and over 8,000 subscribers just from this video. And as you know, my channel almost has 30,000. So that's a good chunk of my subscribers from this video alone. And as you can see, has earned me $3,577.39. And you can see all the way back to February 6th of 2016. So again, it's almost been, almost been 7 years since it was uploaded. And you can just see it kind of had like steady views. 2017, it just had like a big skyrocket of views. I mean, its best day, it did almost 8,000 views. And then you can see like it was very steady all the way till 2019, and then it kind of just has slowly in the past couple of years finally kind of started to lose its views. It's only a few a day, but at least it's still gaining views, which is absolutely insane to me. Average view duration wasn't that long. Average percentage viewed versus the impressions, because as you can see, it has had 7.8 million impressions, and again, only 1.7 million views. So it only has a 7.6% click-through rate, which is kind of crazy to see. So that's the actual views from impressions, watch time from impressions, showing suggested videos, browser features, YouTube search. Again, here's the thing with the YouTube search. I even had friends test it out. It was the #1 for 4 tags, which was Minecraft, Naruto Minecraft, as well as Naruto Minecraft roleplay. So again, Naruto Minecraft, Naruto, and Minecraft Naruto roleplay. So when you're #1 for search terms, it's really good. Again, yeah, Minecraft Naruto, Naruto Minecraft, and Naruto Minecraft roleplay, and I guess just Naruto in general earned me a fair amount of click-throughs. So it's crazy to kind of look at that in the background and just see, like showing what other videos actually were showing mine off. So it's kind of cool to see all these statistics of a small YouTuber and how one video can truly affect their channel. Because again, this is my biggest video ever, and gaining 8,000 subscribers from it, that's a lot. And you can see watch time from subscribers, again, very little. Like, look at that. Not even 1% is from subscribers, which is insane. From a lifetime, not even 1%. Absolutely wild. And then my biggest is the United States, then Philippines. My own country doesn't even make it on here. Good old Canada. So that's kind of funny, to be honest. And apparently there are subtitles. Very interesting to see. And then again, revenue breakdown. And this is why when you see guys that post videos that are like over 1 million views and they're made like 10K off of one video, I have a very low RPM and playback based CPM in comparison to a lot of channels. Kind of sucks. It is what it is. And the unfortunate thing is I didn't even actually earn all of this revenue. So because I'm a small channel back in the day, especially 2016, you weren't really partnering with YouTube. You'd go with a lot of networks. So like there was Machinima, there was Fullscreen, which is who I was with. And back then I was a 70-30 split with them. So YouTube's already a 55-45 split. So the 45% was going to Fullscreen, and then Fullscreen was taking another 30% off of that. So in reality, I wasn't earning near what this actually says, which kind of sucks. At the end of my Fullscreen contracts, it was a 90-10, but still, I would never recommend it now that I actually am just through Google AdSense. It's so much easier, just way better. Because with Fullscreen, you had to hit a $50 threshold. With Google, you have to hit 100. So I mean, it kind of sucks in that sense again, especially since looking through my channel, I don't earn any revenue anymore. But to me, it's kind of been passive. So like when I uploaded it, it didn't earn those first, almost a year. First half a year didn't earn anything, because again, I don't think I was even monetized. And then it took off. It was getting so many views. I was like, wow, I can actually monetize now. I can make money on it. Might as well. So that kind of sucks, because I think there was like 50K views in that time. So again, I did miss out on quite a bit. It was earning really steadily through 2017. You can see a big jump in 2017 for like my best day. One of my best days being over, it was about $18. And then again in 2019 is when it had a huge spike. You can see it was earning quite a bit every day, 2019. So I was earning like $6, $7, 14. Like some days I was earning, especially between all my videos, it was like, you know, $10 a day passive income to me, because again, I uploaded this in 2016. It is now 2023. It has been 7 years, and you can see it's just essentially been passive income to me. I spent, let's say, 2.5 hours making this video. So you want to do the math on that, pull up a calculator really quick. Let's just say 3,500 just to be safe, divided by what, 2.5, we're at $1,400 an hour. Around that, because that's just wild, absolutely insane. Best video that's ever happened for me, and it's just kind of cool to look at. So if you guys kind of enjoy these videos and you want to see what other videos have earned me as a small channel in RPM and playback based CPM and just views versus dollar amount, let me know. I think my most interesting ones are like the Roblox versus Naruto, how well they've done, and even some like the one Forza video that did pretty decent for me, and it was a very short video. So if you want to see that kind of content, let me know. Leave a like, subscribe, comment that you want to see that, and until the next one, guys, have a great day. Bye.